Okay, let's look at question 20. Solve the equation root 2x minus 3 plus root 3x minus 7 equals to root x plus 2. Okay, what's the problem with this question is that, okay, when you square, right, okay, when you square the equation, you can't actually get rid of the square root all at once. Why? Okay, because of this plus sign over here. Okay, so let's write down the question first. Root 2x minus 3 plus root 3x minus 7 equals to root x plus 2. So if I attempt to square both sides, okay, this whole thing will get the square, this whole thing will get the square. Okay, so over here, the right hand side is very straightforward. The square root will take the square will take away the square root like this. Okay, however, it doesn't work the same for the left hand side because of a plus b bracket square property will always get us a square plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so that creates a problem for us, right? Okay, so now on the left hand side, we'll get this 2x minus 3 plus 3x minus 7, okay, which is the a squared and the b squared. All right, okay, let me present it better. Okay, it will be like this 2x minus 3 root 2x minus 3 square plus 2 square root 2x minus 3 bracket 3x minus 7 plus 3x root 3x minus 7 squared like this. Okay, so although the square get rid of the square root here, the square get rid of the square root here, we actually didn't manage to get rid of the square root for this term. Okay, so we'll get 2x minus 3 plus 3x minus 7 plus 2 bracket, or rather 2 the square root of 2x minus 3 and 3x minus 7 equals to x plus 2. All right, so we need another time of square root, okay, in order to get rid of the square root sign again. But before that, we need to shift every term, okay, every term that are not inside the square root over, okay, which are this. So shifting this over, we'll get 2 square root 6x squared minus, okay, I'm going to expand in 6x squared minus 14x minus 9x plus 21 equals to negative 4x plus 12. Okay, so over here, I'm going to divide by 2 so that we'll get square root of 6x squared minus 23x plus 21 is equals to negative 6 minus 2x. Okay, change the position. So now, in order to remove the square again, I'm going to square root again. I'm going to square it once more. Okay, so this time round, we can remove the square root entirely. So we'll get 6x squared minus 23x plus 21 is equals to 36 minus 12, 24x plus 4x squared. Everything shifts to one side. So 6x squared, deal with the 4x squared. Oops. Okay, 6x squared and 4x squared. Shift the 4x squared over, so we'll get 2x squared. Okay, minus 23x and minus 24x. Shifts over, becomes plus x. Right, and then lastly, we have positive 21 shifts the 36 over, so that will give us minus 15 equals to 0. So factorize 2x x. Okay, so plus 3 minus 5 equals to 0. X equal negative 3, x equals to 5 over 2. Now, then we need to sub in back the numbers into the equation, right? So by subbing it back, okay, same thing, you key your calculator, right? So if you sub in negative 3, okay, just by inspection, if you sub in negative 3 down here, you will create square root of negative 3 squared plus 2, which will be square root of negative 1. So very obvious that in this situation, the x equals to negative 3 has to be rejected. Now, then you sub in 5 over 2 to find out whether you will get an answer out of it, okay, which should be the case, right? So this is our answer.